Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. In front of jaw-dropping nature landscapes, I am in the charming town of Polop, located in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be featuring a new developmental construction. They are currently in their first phase of what will be 36 detached villas, overlooking the splendid sleeping lion here in Polop and also the Mediterranean Sea. The villas will be on a plot from 400 square meters and the villa itself with a constructed space of 135 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the option of 2 floors or even a single story, as well as a solarium. Can't wait to show you the video, so let's get on with the tour. Hello. As I come in through the pedestrian entrance onto the property, here you can see is an aluminium gate that allows your vehicle comfortable entry, and here would be the parking space. You also have steps that lead up to where you will find the front door to the property. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you round this way so that you can see not only the architectural design of the building, but also the amount of outdoor space that you get with the plot. As you can see, the terraces actually surround the entire property, and this side provides the resident with, well, a fantastic space as a ground floor terrace that they could use to their liking. On this side you have breathtaking views of the natural landscape, and up here I'm going up the steps that have clear balustrades onto what would be the outdoor living terrace and garden spaces for the family to enjoy. This is a spacious terrace that you can see is perfect for outdoor lounging, outdoor dining. You have here a swimming pool that is a rectangular shape and is 7 by 3 meters. On one side of the swimming pool, you also have your fountains, which act as somewhat of a jacuzzi, and steps that lead down quite gently. You also have here, let's say you don't want the sunshine so much, a roofed dining or lounging spot that is perfect for if you're wanting to do all of that outdoors. For the comfort of the swimmers, you also have an outdoor shower and you also have your outdoor sun lounging space. But then it takes you over the way to where you will find the front door in which we will enter the home. As you come in through the front door, this is a bright, robust security door. You're coming into a very naturally illuminated, inviting and contemporary living space. Altogether, the living space is open plan kitchen, dining room and living room with a ceiling height of 2.8 meters and the living space itself being 35 square meters. So where I'm going to take you now is to the living room. This is a lovely, warm and inviting space with enough space for a spacious looking sofa. You also have your patio doors that slide out fully next to the lounge, which also give you full integration with the ground floor patios, terrace and swimming pool. Now coming into the dining room, as you can see that this is a dining space that is currently set to dine at 6. I do love the lighting feature and I do like the fact that you have the patio doors there that also lead to the side garden. Coming now into the kitchen space, you have a large central island which features a breakfast bar on one side and cabinetry on the other. Integrated within this cabinetry, you have your cooking kitchen appliances which are Bosch, your hob with the extractor above and your oven below. Over this side you have a continuation and you will find that your electrical appliances and domestic white goods are also included. You have your refrigerator and freezer, the kitchen sink, more cabinetry underneath. You also have the dishwasher and also cabinetry on top. In the corner here, you also have your microwave and another door that leads to another small terrace if you're wanting to access the gardens. Going over the way now, conveniently you also have down here a guest bathroom that is light, bright and fully equipped. And it leads really nicely to what would be the first guest bedroom. This bedroom is 16 square meters. As you can see, it has a similar interior feel. It could be perfectly used as an office or a working space. And it does have here patio doors on one side that lead to the terrace, but then you also have this wonderful fitted wardrobes, and here it gives you an idea of how it can be fitted with the open shelving that now it then leads also to your fully equipped ensuite bathroom. Coming up the stairs to the first floor, this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. With a light, bright entry hall, you also have your video intercom and your air conditioning system working on this floor. I am now entering the second bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom has a similar interior feel with the same porcelain stone flooring throughout the top and the bottom levels. You have your ensuite bathroom and the entire space is 14 square meters. You also have patio doors that lead out onto a discreet little balcony, giving you views of the mountain behind. Going now into the primary suite. The primary suite has again a very similar feel. It is 16 square meters. On one side you have your integrated wardrobes, and then you have on the other side your ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped. But the wow factor with the primary suite, everybody, I have to say, would be this gorgeous terrace, offering you an additional 28 square meters of outdoor living space on the first floor. You get to appreciate the almost panoramic views that we have of this location. We are overlooking the towns of Polop, La Nucia, Callosa. You can see really far into the country, but you can also see the bay over there of Altea, the Mediterranean Sea, and just a little peek also about the architectural build of the home, which is also really nice. Overlooking behind us the Sleeping Lion Mountain, well, you couldn't be any closer to nature, even if you asked. Taking you up to the solarium. This is an optional extra for those that may want it. And why wouldn't you? On the set of the two-story homes, that you can get a solarium that features an additional 48 square meters of living space, giving you the opportunity to really enjoy things up high. Look at that view of the mountain. I absolutely love it. And why stop there? Let's say, for example, you were to go for the other model, the solarium would be double the size and would actually give you an additional 84 square meters of space. And you also have, as an additional feature that comes with this home, because they have a focus on sustainability, the installed solar panels that come included in the price. Hello. Taking you to the Marina Baja model, this model is designed to be single story, and so everything is on one floor. What I really love is you open into the entry, from the entry to the open plan living area, you have this immense sight line directly leading to what is the Mediterranean Sea and the Bay of Altea. But the first room I'm going to show you is the kitchen. As you can see, it has a similar distribution. You have the kitchen here with your central island, and obviously your electrical appliances will be installed. The difference in this model, however, is that you do have a separate room that would be used as your pantry or as your washing room to house your washing machine and your tumble dryer. Now, The actual open plan living room, dining room and kitchen space is more or less the same in terms of square meters. You do again also have patio doors that lead out onto the terraces where the family will enjoy. But again, they have spared no detail left undone when it comes to taking full advantage of the amount of views that you can really encapsulate in all of the houses. Here you have your swimming pool. They're yet to fill it with water, but again, it gives you an idea as to the feel. Again, 7x3, and then you have the expanse of your gardens and your terraces. Taking you back into the home, I'm now going to take you along the way through what would be the dining area, back into the entry hall and show you the bedrooms. So taking you to the first bedroom. But through the first bedroom, you also have your guest bathroom. This guest bathroom actually works not only as a guest bathroom, but also as an ensuite for the first bedroom. The first bedroom again has similar feel to the rest of the home, with your patio doors on one side and your integrated wardrobes on the other. You can also see that they have got the same specifications when it comes to the underfloor heating, the LED lighting. They're just in the process of getting that fitted at the moment. Now coming into the second bedroom, again, similar feel. You also have an ensuite bathroom, and there is a skylight in this ensuite. It's currently covered, but will illuminate the bathroom beautifully with natural light. And now we go into the primary suite. Again, you have those lovely fitted wardrobes, an expanse for your bed, patio doors that lead out onto your terrace, and a fully equipped ensuite bathroom. In just 15 minutes, I can be at this marvel of a beautiful beach. This particular beach is Raco de Albia, very popular, quite famous, but as you can see, you can still enjoy the peace and serenity. This beautiful promenade is going to come alive later as they have an artisan fair that's actually going to be on over the next few days in this town. However, this is just one of the many beaches that you have access to if you do decide to buy property in Polop. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €800 per year. There is a small community fee of €100 per year for those residents that do live on the lower two streets of the urbanisation, and the refuse is €150 per year. This house is fantastic if you're wanting to be a family, you're wanting to enjoy a nice amount of interior and also exterior living spaces to enjoy the Mediterranean climate. What's really nice as well is that you have optional extras within the build. So at the moment you can choose if you would like to have an optional solarium, should you like, and also you can modify in certain ways certain distribution aspects within the interior. Also, what's really nice as well is that a lot of these modifications are actually included. So air conditioning, LED lighting, underfloor heating in the bathrooms, all of those type of things you will find within the description. And well, what can I say? Being in front of a beautiful, fantastic natural landscape like this one in front of the sleeping Lion Mountain is really wonderful. But what you get to really enjoy are the breathtaking, awe-inspiring views that this property gives you, not only of the Mediterranean Sea, but of the rolling countryside around it. Also, Polop is very close proximity to a lot of fantastic things to do if you love recreational activities. You have beaches less than 10 minutes drive away, as well as fantastical points of interest at every corner. Neighbouring towns to also explore, and lots more to do beyond that. If you like this listing and you'd like to know more, then please do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was a pleasure to see you again, and I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!